This is money that is yours, that you've earned or was gifted to you, that you can use to make purchases. Now, advantages of using a debit card when you make a purchase is you don't have to pay anything back. It's your money, you earned it, you paid for it, it belongs to you. You don't have to pay any interest or anything, it's yours. There's no interest charge. Now, disadvantage to using a debit card is once you've used all your money, it's gone. You have to continue to put money on your debit card in order to continue making purchases. Now, a credit card is also a plastic card that we use to make purchases. And on this credit card, you have to make a payment every month. So say you want to go to your favorite toy store, say Toys R Us or GameStop. Now you would need to fill out an application and they'll qualify you or approve you for a specific amount, maybe $250 to start off with. And every time you buy something, you have to pay interest back on it. So it's not free money. You have to pay back what you owe, plus you have to pay back interest on it. So that's one of the disadvantages of using a credit card when you make a purchase. You have to pay something back. Okay? So, income. Income is money that you earn from a job. When you have a job, you work per hour and they pay you. So suppose you make $13 an hour and you work 40 hours. Well, if you get out your pen and paper, you will multiply 13 times 40. You multiply 13 times 40, and whatever that is, that will be your income that you made for the month. Give me just a second. I forgot my pen. Don't pause. Sorry, class. Sometimes Miss Smith misplaces her things. Alrighty. So we're going to do that together. Sorry about that. Can you still see me? Okay. So we will do 13 times 40. 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. Bring down to 0. 12. 4 plus 1 is 5. So you would make $520 a week if you made $13 an hour and you worked 40 hours a week. Alright? Now, the catch when you have money and when we make money is we do have to pay our taxes. Now, taxes is money that comes out of your paycheck that goes towards the government or it goes towards your insurance. Now, the government can be local, and that'll go towards paying for parks, libraries, and all the pretty things that you see in your neighborhood. Now, the government fees, that'll go towards maybe building a highway or helping to pay for, maybe the army or police. I don't know, a lot of things. It goes to pay for a lot of government things. So here we have a few deductions. Insurance, they take about 15 out of this check. For local taxes, approximately $10. We're just using the estimate. It'll probably be more than this. And for government taxes, they'll take out 20 of this paycheck. So in order to figure out, exactly how much you're going to be bringing home, you would have to add up all of these charges and then subtract that from the income. Okay? So, let's use this one as an example. Charlie makes $14 an hour and works 40 hours a week. What is her income for the week? Okay, so we'll figure that out. And then these are the deductions that are taken out of her check. Insurance, $12.75. Local taxes, $15.63. And government taxes, $17. So let's go ahead, and at your desk, we're going to do 14, which is the amount that she makes per hour, times 40. which is the amount that she worked this week. So 4 times 0 is what? Good job, 0. 1 times 0 is what? Okay, good job, good job. We're going to bring down our 0. And 4 times 16 is? Okay, good job, Tommy. 4 times 4 is 16. Good job, Tommy. And 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 equals? Okay, 5. Good job. $560. So that's how much she brought home for her income. Then we're going to take away insurance. $12.75, $15.63, and $17. Okay, let's add those things up. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 6, 12, 13. Carry your 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So $45 is the amount of taxes that is going to come out of her check. So we're going to do $560, take away $45.30. Okay, and everyone silently, let's do our math, and then I'm going to find someone who has the correct answer. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do 560, take away 45, 38. All right, so we're going to do 8, take away 10, 8, 9, 10, bring down our 2. And we're going to do 9, take away 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, all right, so good job. I'm going to start over because I haven't calculated my math. Alright, so we're going to borrow from our 6, put a 5, the 0 will become a 9, the 0 will become a 9, and the 0 will now become an 8. So 8 take away 10, 10 take away 8, 8, 9, 10. Bring down your 2. Alright, 9 take away 3 is 6. Okay, and then we're going to do 9 take away 5, that equals 4. 5 take away 4, that equals 1. And we're doing nothing with that 5. So she brings home what? Okay, good job. She brings home $514.62 after taxes. All right, so let's talk about credit card purchases. Credit cards come in handy when we go to the store and we don't have enough money in our debit cards. We can use our credit card because that's money that's already there. We've already borrowed it. It's sitting there. We need to use it. So say Barney goes to the store and buys a table for $65 with his credit card, and he pays $35 in interest. How much does the table cost him? Okay, so what do you think we should do? Okay, yes, good job. We're going to add 65 because that's how much the table costs. And what else are we going to add? Good job, 35. So we're going to do 65 plus 35. Everyone do their silent math at their table. And then I will choose someone. Let you know what's the right answer. 6. Alright. Who thinks they know the answer? Okay. Good job. 100 is correct. $100 is what he will pay for the table. Now let's sit here and think about this, the advantages and the disadvantages of using a credit card. The table originally cost him what? Good job, it cost him $65. But because he used his credit card, he has to pay interest, right? He apparently has a really high interest rate. He has to pay $35 in interest fees for using his credit card to make that purchase. So do you think it was better to pay with his credit card, or maybe he should have just used his debit card? Courtney, what do you think? Should he have used his credit card where he paid $100, or should he have used his debit card and he would have only paid $65? Which do you think he should have used?
Debit card.
The debit card, okay. So that's a good thing, about credit, is when you don't have it, you can use the credit card. But if you have it, you might want to use that debit card, and that's making good choices when you're using these plastic cards. So is there anyone who needs any help? Is there anyone who has any questions? No? Alrighty, well, good job, you guys, and thank you for being patient. Let's go ahead and put up our math and start on our English assignment. Thank you.